Guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. So first of all, before I'm going to start, I quickly want to thank each and every one of you because we hit 250,000 subscribers on YouTube. I think I started YouTube 2 years ago because I did tutorials on Instagram and people were like, why don't you have YouTube? To be honest, I was a little shy when I first started out. I thought my English wasn't that good. I felt like, why would I think I will become like a YouTuber? And you guys have made me feel really comfortable here, and all of your feedback and everyone's love. The fact that my audience is so diverse and multicultural is exactly what I stand for, and I'm super, super proud of that. And so yeah, I just want to thank you. And I will do a giveaway on Friday. For today's look, I created this easy FOXY eye makeup tutorial. If you want your eyes to be elongated, almond shaped, a little lifted a la Bella Hadid, then keep on watching. As you can see, I already did my brows and I made them a little bit more straight because that's kind of like part of the FOXY eye look. I did my brows like I normally would, then I lift this part and I try to make it as straight as possible. Obviously I have hairs right here and I don't want to get rid of them because I don't like to do this brow all the time, but if you don't, then you can make them even more straight and neat looking. I think it always looks super sultry, super sexy, and if I can do it with my hooded eyes and overhanging crease, anyone can do it. It's basically very simple. We are going to start with eyeshadow, and everything that we are going to apply needs to be elongated and a little lifted so we get that cat eye effect. I got this in the mail the other day. This is from Charlotte Tilbury and this is a 2-in-1 pencil, but we are going to use the matte side, which is called Copper Charge. And then what I'm going to do, I'm basically going to follow the crease, this line of the crease, and instead of like making this area darker, I am going to elongate. We are going to hear elongated and lifted all the time in this tutorial. So okay, so this is the first thing you want to do. Then I'm taking this small pencil brush from Nabla. So it's basically a round brush. You can also use a flat brush. And I am going to blend this. It doesn't have to be perfect yet because we are going to use eyeshadow. Then this palette is also new. I've never tried this one before. This is from Pixie, and this is, I think, in collaboration with Petra, by Petra. I don't know who you are. I'm sorry. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to use this beautiful hazel color. And this palette is also called Hazelnut Haze. So this beautiful color right here, we're just going to blend this a little bit towards the eye, not too much, but keeping the attention on the outer parts. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to blend this anyways. We're just going to create the shape that we want to follow. Taking a larger brush, also from Nabla, this is the Precision Shade Brush. And it's kind of like fluffy but flat at the same time. I'm using the same color and I'm going to blend everything upwards. To be honest, I wanted to wear my contacts today. Like if I don't have my own brown eyes, I always wear contacts, by the way, because otherwise I'm half blind. But the other one with prescription from Desi eyes, I wanted to wear them because even if you apply like the tiniest liner, you always get like foxy eyes immediately. But I thought, that's not really fair because, we need to keep it a little fair. We're going to blend this way better later on because otherwise it's like, hey, I tried following a foxy eye makeup tutorial. Bring it a little bit more towards my crease. We are going to limit the contrast between this eyeshadow and my eyelid using this brand new Hola, see the swatch, bronzer from Benefit. I'm using my Morphe 514 brush. Taking this small brush again from Nabla, I'm going to use this dark gray, I can't really describe this color. Yeah, I think dark gray color. We're basically going to do the same, so following this line, but we are going to make it a little bit more deeper. This is the Urban Decay large blending brush, and I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer again, and we're just going to blend everything so the eyeshadow is not too obvious, but still enough to have this lifted effect. Why am I... should have done this from the beginning. I'm going to take a little bit of this shimmery eyeshadow color, but not too much because I don't want to have like a lot of shimmer on our eyes. So if you don't have an overhanging crease, then you can just draw like an eyeliner. Lucky you. I always say that, but I always feel pain in my heart. I'm going to start really thin, and if it's too thin, then I might do like a thicker liner. So I'm going to use this MAC Pro Longwear Fluid Eyeliner Gel. This is a new one in black track, but just because the rest has dried really quickly. So this is my Sigma bent liner brush. Just because I don't have a lot of space here, I don't want to fill it up. I just want to elongate everything. So that's why I'm starting kind of like from the middle. This is too thin because if we're going to apply mascara and lashes later on, you won't be able to see anything from this liner. So yeah, we are going for a graphic liner. Now with this brow brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm quickly going to soften up the edges of this liner. I did both eyes, and as you can see, they are pretty lifted. I'm going to tightline my eyes using this Nabla Velvet line. Tightlining is really, really nice if you want to create that foxy eye effect. Even if you don't do these steps, I mean, tightlining your eyes, just beautiful. It is uncomfortable, as you can see, but it is really nice. We're going to clean that up. Before I'm going to do my eyes, I'm quickly going to do my base as I normally would do my base. So I'm going to fast forward this step, but I will still link all the products that I've used in the description box below because that's just who I am. So I'm going to put on some music right now. I am addicted to listening Euphoria from Travis Scott.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart.
Now we are going to finish off the eyes. So I want to kind of like lift everything. So I don't want to put a lot of mascara on my bottom lashes. Actually, I don't think I'm going to use mascara on my bottom lashes at all. But I am going to use this Copper Charge Matte from Charlotte Tilbury that we've used in the beginning on my waterline. I thought this was going to look a little bit more brown than red. So I am going to keep it like this, but I'm going to use this Nabla Velvet black pencil. Usually I would bring the eyeshadow or like the eye pencil way lower because, you know, that's more my thing. But since we want to do like a lifted cat eye effect, I'm only going to smoke it out on the outer corner of my eye. Highlighting my inner corners with this Contour Cosmetics highlighter. I'm quickly going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara, do my lips, and then show you the end result. So we are finished with this makeup tutorial. It was actually pretty easy because it didn't took me long. So actually you can make it even look way more foxy by bringing bronzer all the way up to, what is this called? I don't know what this is called, but anyways, all the way up to here. I don't know if you can see that. I did that a little bit, but I still wanted to kind of like keep it natural. I've used the roller lash mascara from Benefit. If you say that really quickly, like roller lash, you can't even pronounce it normally anymore. Roller lash from Benefit. To get this lifted effect, I used a tiny bit of lashes. I just cut the first 4 lash parts, and then I applied it on the outer part of my eyes. And on my lips, I'm wearing Whirl lip liner from MAC, Dose of Colors, Desi Katy collaboration in No Shade. And then on top of it, I've used a little bit of this Barely There gloss from Dose of Colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it's helpful. If you're going to recreate it, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And I'm preparing the 250k giveaway on YouTube, which will be up Friday. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!